Every song has a story, and every voice carries a legacy. Today, we are remembering one of Madang's most loved and influential bands, Kales Gadagads, and their legendary lead singer, the late Sandy Gabriel. Back in the 1980s and 90s, when Papua New Guinea local music scene was growing fast, Kales Gadagads emerged from Madang with a sound that was both soulful and proudly local. Their music blended rhythm, language, and feelings in a way that truly captured the PNG spirit. The late Sandy Gabriel was the voice behind many unforgettable songs, including Ado Ado, Mama, Omar Malan Hai, and others that have since become PNG classics. His smooth yet powerful voice could make you dance, reflect, or even cry. Even today, decades later, their songs continue to be played, shared, and covered by the new artists, a sign that their music never really fade. In fact, even other PNG bands like Wally Hits were inspired by Sandy Gabriel's singing style, proof of just how much he influenced the music scene. Though there aren't official records of music awards from the late 80s, what truly mattered was the impact, the love from people. Their cassette tapes circulated all over PNG, shared in homes, trucks, and markets. Those tapes carried not just sound, but memories. Today, as we continue to share their songs on YouTube and across the Pacific, we do so with deep respect and gratitude. The goal is not to claim, but to keep their music alive, to ensure that the next generation also feels what we once felt listening to those timeless voices. To the late Sandy Gabriel, your music lives on. You inspired a generation, and through your songs like Ado Ado, Mama, and Long Solid Days, your legacy remains part of Papua New Guinea's musical heartbeat. To everyone watching, if you remember listening to Kales Gadagads back in the days, please share your memories in the comments. Let's keep this piece of PNG music history alive together. This tribute is brought to you by Wantok Media. Don't forget to subscribe for more PNG classics, covers, and stories that celebrate our heritage and music. Thank you for watching.